Electric bikes have completely changed the way we think about getting around. They blend the thrill of cycling with the ease of electric power, making every ride smoother, faster, and more exciting. Whether you're cruising through city streets, climbing steep trails, or simply chasing that open road freedom, today's e-bikes are built to deliver pure joy on two wheels. From sleek commuters to rugged off-road beasts, 2025's latest electric bikes bring next-level performance, bold designs, and smarter technology than ever before. Get ready to discover electric bikes that you'll actually want to ride, because these machines are redefining what it means to move. Brompton G Line. The Brompton G Line reimagines what a folding bike can be, blending rugged utility with classic Brompton charm. Its 20-inch wheels, wide handlebars, and chunkier Schwalbe G1 tires smooth out rough roads and absorb shocks more confidently than traditional 16-inch Bromptons. You'll also find hydraulic disc brakes, a longer wheelbase, and a refined frame geometry, shifting the ride closer to a full-size bike feel. The non-electric model features an 8-speed Shimano Alpine hub and weighs around 13.9 kilograms. Pricing starts at about £2,400 for the standard G Line and climbs to approximately £3,500 for the electric version. In real life, it rides with impressive stability, handling gravel, cobbles, and uneven streets with more grace. Though the extra weight and bulk mean it's not quite as nimble to fold and carry as classic Bromptons. Specialized Turbo Levo 4 alloy. The specialized Turbo Levo 4 alloy brings high-end EMTB performance to a more accessible price point. Priced at $7,699.99, it features the same powerful specialized 3.1 motor and 840 watt-hours battery as its carbon counterparts, delivering up to 111 Newton-meters of torque and a natural, responsive ride. Built around an M5 alloy frame, it boasts 150mm rear and 160mm front suspension travel, complemented by a Fox 36 rhythm grip fork and Genie shock. The drivetrain includes a SRAM Eagle 90 transmission, and braking is handled by Maven bronze brakes. Weighing approximately 25.7 kilograms, 56.7 pounds in size S4, it offers a balanced mix of durability and performance. Ideal for riders seeking advanced EMTB capabilities without the premium price tag, the Turbo Levo 4 alloy delivers exceptional value and performance. The ENGWE Engine Pro 2.0 is a powerful folding e-bike designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Equipped with a 750-watt motor delivering up to 1200-watt peak power and 75 Newton-meters of torque, it offers impressive acceleration and hill climbing capabilities. The 52-volt 16-amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 68 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. Its 20 inches by 4.0 inches fat tires, full suspension system, and hydraulic disc brakes ensure a smooth and stable ride across various terrains. The Shimano 8-speed drivetrain allows for versatile gearing options. Weighing approximately 31.6 kilograms, the bike folds for easy storage and transport. Priced around $1,700, the ENGWE Engine Pro 2.0 offers excellent value for riders seeking a robust and feature-rich e-bike. Bluvall K10 Trail. The Bluvall K10 Trail is a powerful and versatile e-bike designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Equipped with dual 1,000-watt motors, it delivers a combined peak power of 2,000 watts, enabling speeds up to 35 miles per hour and tackling inclines with ease. The 52-volt dual battery system, 20 amp-hour plus 23 amp-hour, offers a remarkable range of up to 120 miles on pedal assist, ensuring long-distance rides without frequent recharging. Its 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability across various terrains. The bike features a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, and a full suspension system for a smooth and comfortable ride. Weighing approximately 50 kilograms, it's built for durability and performance. Priced at $1,685, The Bluvall K10 Trail offers exceptional value for riders seeking a robust and high-performance e-bike. Kingbull Jumper Go. The Kingbull Jumper Go is a rugged, high-performance electric bike designed for off-road riders who demand power, durability, and comfort. Equipped with a 750-watt Bafang brushless hub motor, delivering approximately 85 Nm of torque, it offers a top speed of 28 miles per hour and can tackle inclines up to 35 degrees. The 48-volt, 960 watt-hour Samsung lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 80 miles on low pedal assist settings. Its full suspension system includes a Zoom 879 DH coil spring fork with 100mm travel and a DNMAO 38RC air spring rear shock with 50mm travel, ensuring a smooth ride over rough terrains. The 20-inch by 4.0-inch Kenda puncture-proof fat tires enhance stability and traction. With a maximum load capacity of 450 pounds, it accommodates various riders and cargo. Magician Atlas. The Magician Atlas is a robust, full-suspension electric mountain bike designed for serious off-road enthusiasts. Equipped with a powerful Bafang G510 mid-drive motor delivering up to 1,500 watts peak power and 160 Nm of torque. It offers exceptional hill climbing and acceleration on challenging terrains. The bike features a 52-volt 20-amp-hour Samsung battery, providing a substantial range, and is complemented by a KKE inverted air fork with 140mm travel and a RockShox Monarch RL rear shock, ensuring a smooth ride over rough trails. Its 26 by 4.8 inches CST Rolly Polyfat tires enhance traction and stability. Priced at $2,100, the Atlas offers high-end components and performance at a competitive price point. Heybike Ranger 3.0. The Heybike Ranger 3.0 Pro stands out as a versatile folding e-bike, blending power, comfort, and utility. Equipped with a 750-watt motor, delivering up to 1,200-watt peak power and 80 Nm of torque, it reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour and offers a range of up to 90 miles on pedal assist. The 720 watt-hour battery ensures long-distance rides, while the 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires provide stability across various terrains. Its full suspension system, featuring a 65mm front fork and adjustable air rear shock, guarantees a smooth ride. With a maximum load capacity of 440 pounds, it's suitable for diverse riders. Priced at $1,499, the Ranger 3.0 Pro offers excellent value for those seeking a reliable and comfortable e-bike. Segway Xyber. The Segway Xyber is a high-performance electric bike that blurs the lines between e-bike and electric motorcycle. Powered by a 750-watt direct drive motor, it delivers a peak output of 6,000 watts with dual batteries, propelling riders from 0 to 20 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. The bike features a 1440 watt-hour battery, expandable to 2,880 watt-hours, offering a range of up to 112 miles. Its rugged design includes 20-inch by 5-inch fat tires, front and rear suspension, and hydraulic disc brakes. Weighing 138 pounds with a single battery, the Xyber supports up to 408 pounds. Priced at $3,000, it's an ideal choice for off-road enthusiasts seeking power and style. Segway Xafari. The Segway Xafari is an all-terrain electric bike designed for riders seeking both performance and comfort. Equipped with a 750-watt motor delivering 80 Nm of torque, it offers smooth acceleration and a top-assisted speed of 20 miles per hour. The bike features a 936 watt-hour removable battery, providing a maximum range of up to 88 miles on a single charge. Its durable aluminum frame supports a maximum payload of 352 pounds, accommodating a wide range of riders. The Xafari is priced at $2,000, offering a balance of power, range, and affordability for adventure enthusiasts. Oben Rorr EZ Sigma. The Oben Rorr EZ Sigma is a standout electric motorcycle designed for urban riders seeking performance and style. It offers two variants, the 3.4 kilowatt-hour model with a range of 140 kilometers per charge, and the 4.4 kilowatt-hour model extending up to 175 kilometers. Both are powered by a 7.5 kilowatt motor, delivering a top speed of 95 kilometers per hour and acceleration from 0 to 40 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The 3.4 kilowatt-hour variant is priced at $1,550, while the 4.4 kilowatt-hour variant is priced at $1,660. With features like an IP67 rated battery, rapid charging capabilities, and a 5-year warranty, the Rorr EZ Sigma combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, making it a compelling choice for eco-conscious commuters. Trek Checkpoint Plus SL. The Trek Checkpoint Plus SL is Trek's inaugural electric gravel bike, blending traditional gravel aesthetics with modern e-performance. Equipped with the TQ HPR60 mid-mounted motor, it delivers 60 Nm of torque and a 350 watt peak output, offering up to 50 miles of range. The 360 watt-hour battery is seamlessly integrated into the down tube, maintaining the bike's sleek appearance. The frame supports up to 50 mm tire clearance and features the ISO-speed rear decoupler for enhanced comfort over rough terrains. Available models include the SL7AXS $7,999, SL6AXS $6,599, and SL5 $5,999, each tailored for different riding preferences. Cannondale Moterra LT. The Cannondale Moterra LT is a high-performance electric mountain bike designed for aggressive trail enthusiasts. It features 170 mm of front and 165 mm of rear suspension travel, ensuring a smooth ride over rough terrains. The bike is powered by the Bosch Performance Line CX motor, delivering 85 Nm of torque, paired with a 750 watt-hour battery that offers extended range. The frame combines a carbon front triangle with a SmartForm C1 alloy swing arm, providing a balance of strength and weight savings. Priced at approximately $5,800, the Moterra LT offers a competitive package for riders seeking durability and performance. High Power Cycles Revolution X9. The Revolution X9 by High Power Cycles is a high-performance electric mountain bike designed for enthusiasts seeking unparalleled power and speed. Equipped with a custom 10,000-watt air-cooled motor, it delivers exceptional acceleration and top speeds exceeding 65 miles per hour. The bike features a robust 86-volt battery system, offering extended range and durability. Its design incorporates a 6061 aluminum frame with a sleek black swing arm and customizable bronze front body, combining aesthetics with functionality. Priced at $18,000, the Revolution X9 is a limited edition model with only 30 units hand-built, making it a rare and exclusive choice for high-speed e-bike enthusiasts. Mokwheel Onyx. The Mokwheel Onyx is a rugged, mid-drive electric fat bike designed for off-road enthusiasts and hunters. Powered by a 750-watt motor with a peak output of 1,300 watts and 210 Nm of torque. It delivers impressive hill climbing capabilities and a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. The bike features a 48-volt 20-amp-hour Samsung battery, offering a range of 60 to 80 miles per charge. Its full suspension system includes a 135mm travel front fork and a DNM air rear shock, ensuring a smooth ride over rough terrains. Equipped with Tektro 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes and 26 by 4-inch fat tires, the Onyx provides excellent stopping power and stability. Priced at $3,288, the Mokwheel Onyx offers a powerful and versatile e-bike experience for those seeking adventure beyond the paved path. Troxus Lynx 2-Up. The Troxus Lynx 2-Up is a versatile electric bike designed for two riders, making it ideal for couples or friends seeking shared adventures. Powered by a 750-watt Ananda rear hub motor, delivering 85 Nm of peak torque, it offers a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. The bike features a 48-volt 15-amp-hour Samsung battery, providing a range of up to 70 miles per charge. Its 6061T6 aluminum step-through frame ensures durability, while the front suspension fork adds comfort. Priced at $2,200, the Lynx 2-Up combines performance with practicality for shared e-bike experiences. Wildeway Wander. The Wildeway Wander is a powerful all-terrain fat tire e-bike designed for adventure seekers. Equipped with a 2,600-watt peak power motor, delivering 136 Nm of torque, it effortlessly conquers hills and rough terrains. The bike features a 48-volt 30-amp-hour battery with Samsung/LG 21700 cells, offering an impressive range of up to 75 miles on a single charge. Its full suspension system and 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. Priced at $1,400, the Wander combines performance and affordability for riders seeking versatility and power. Magician Alpha. The Magician Alpha is a high-performance electric fat bike designed for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts. Powered by a Bafang 72-volt 3,000-watt in-runner motor with a peak output of 5,000 watts and 200 Nm of torque, it offers impressive speed and climbing capabilities. The bike features a dual battery setup, providing a total capacity of 2,160 watt-hours for extended range. Its full suspension system, including a 120mm travel front fork and DNM38 RC airshock, ensures a smooth ride on various terrains. Equipped with Shimano Acera 7-speed gearing and quad-piston hydraulic brakes, it offers reliable performance. The Alpha is priced at $2,400, combining power, comfort, and style for an exceptional riding experience. Euybike W1. The Euybike W1 is a versatile dual-battery electric cargo bike designed for long-distance utility and comfort. Equipped with a 1,000-watt geared hub motor, it delivers a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a maximum torque of 96 Nm, ensuring smooth acceleration and hill climbing capabilities. The bike features two 48-volt 30-amp-hour LG batteries, offering a combined capacity of 2,880 watt-hours and an impressive range of up to 160 miles on a single charge. Its 20-inch fat tires and full suspension system provide stability and comfort across various terrains. With a payload capacity of 450 pounds, it's suitable for carrying heavy loads. Priced at $1,499, the Euybike W1 combines performance, durability, and affordability for riders seeking a reliable electric cargo solution. Aventon Aventure 3. The Aventon Aventure 3 is a rugged, feature-rich fat tire e-bike built for adventure enthusiasts. Powered by a 750-watt motor with 1,188-watt peak output, it delivers impressive torque and a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. The 36-volt 20-amp-hour LG battery offers a range of up to 65 miles on a single charge. Equipped with 4-inch fat tires, a suspension fork, and an added suspension seat post, it ensures a smooth ride across various terrains. Priced at $2,000, the Aventure 3 combines performance, comfort, and advanced technology for an exceptional riding experience. Burchda HC26. The Burchda HC26 is a robust dual-motor fat tire e-bike designed for off-road enthusiasts seeking power and versatility. Equipped with 1,000-watt front and 1,000-watt rear hub motors, it delivers a combined peak power of 2,000 watts, offering impressive torque of up to 170 Nm. The 48-volt 30-amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. With 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, dual shock absorption, and a 7-speed Shimano gear system, it ensures a smooth ride across various terrains. Priced at $1,500, the HC26 combines performance and affordability for adventure seekers.